I'm Erica Ferrari with New to the Street, joined with Jim Janicki from 3i Diagnostics. How are you doing today, Jim?
Good, great to be here.
So tell me a little bit about your company.
You know, 3i Diagnostics was started in 2013, really with a focus on addressing the crisis in antimicrobial resistance. These are the superbugs. These are the infections that we aren't able to treat like before because they're becoming resistant to all of our antibiotics.
Wow, okay. And what's novel about your technology? What makes your technology different than everyone else in the field?
You know, when we looked at what's out there available for patients and physicians, we realized that it took 2 to 6 days, sometimes a week, to get results back so the physicians knew what they were treating, what infection it was identified as. And so we decided that they really needed to make a decision in less than an hour. And we realized that in looking at all of the technologies out there already, they didn't have the runway that we thought to get there ever to 1 hour or less. And so we started with a clean slate to develop a new technology that had the ability to get to something less than an hour. Our approach was different because we were able to break down a blood sample to where the particles are small enough and we could separate those quickly, and we did not injure the microbe that we're trying to detect. And so then we were able to create a scanning system that scans a fingerprint of that's unique to the organism, and we can get all of that result in less than an hour. But today in our lab, we've actually achieved 20-minute time to result, and we think we'll get to 15 minutes eventually.
And can you share your vision about how your company is going to change the future?
Yeah, I think, looking into the future, our first launch is going to be, right now we're pulling together what we need to launch a research instrument for researchers. And then a clinical instrument that can be used in the clinic is after that. But beyond that, the technology is miniaturizable. And so we're going to create small, portable point-of-care device that's going to be distributed around the world and able to upload to the cloud real-time signatures of these resistant infections as they pop up around the world. From that, we're going to create a map that allows, like a weather map, for us to track these as they pop up and they pop down. And my vision is experts at hospitals will have an alert limit around the hospitals where they can log into our system and see new resistant strains within maybe a 50-mile radius of their hospital so they can proactively prepare for these before they show up in their facility.
Okay, fascinating technology. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.